Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, the title is all about unboxing from Blanc and Eclare. So I ordered poppy red. That is a cap from the brand. This is the box. Ta-da! So I kind of have to be careful on ripping this tape because it is so beautiful, and this is my first ever purchase from the brand. Okay, I'm gonna be careful with this tape. Or I'm just gonna cut it on the sides. Oh my gosh, here it is! The famous Blanc and Eclare clap! What I love this is the minimal logo. Here is the item. Oh my gosh! I can't believe it, I'm so happy right now. I'm correct, this is worth this poppy red here is worth $64. For the shipping, it costs $20. Okay, poppy red and invoice. This is how it costs. Okay, here it is. Here it is. It is inside the carton. So the total is $90.40. Oh my gosh, I'm really happy. Okay, oh my gosh, warning, this bag is not a toy. To avoid danger or suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is made of plastic. Use it for as long as you like. However, when it's no longer of use, do not leave it in the countryside of the sea. Dispose of it in a refused container. The world belongs to us all. We must protect all. Good. So they're using plastic. Though they are using plastic, still they have some precautions here with them. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So I'm gonna take it off. Ta-da! This is the cap. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear it. Oh, hi. So okay. It's so cute. There is the embroidered brand, the Blanc and Eclare. What I like about this is that it is very cute. The design is very cute. And of course, there's signature Blanc and Eclare here at the back. The tag. Okay, 안녕하세요. Ta-da! So this is it. I don't know what it's made up of. So yeah. About the cap, it's adjustable. It's in here. This cap is a free size. So here, it's like a pin. You can just stick it out and then like that. You can just adjust it, then lock it, stick it in here, put it inside. Ta-da! And then it fits nicely. Okay, that's it. Ta-da! From this bag, brand, the Blanc and Eclare in it. Of course, the invoice, the cat itself, the invoice, and the carton that I'm gonna keep because look at that, the tape is very cute. So that's it for the unboxing of Blanc and Eclare. If you will have any questions about this product, you can ask them, or you can ask the company. I'm gonna put their email address. Please comment down below if you have any questions regarding how I purchased this cap. And yeah, that's it. That's it for my unboxing with the Blanc and Eclare cap. Bye!